We'll guide you through how to download Claude AI so you can start using it right away. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your preferred web browser on your desktop and visit the official Claude AI website. Once you're there, navigate to the Download section, which is usually prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the Download button for your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac. After clicking, the download should begin automatically. Wait for the download to finish, and then locate the downloaded file in your computer's download folder. The file is typically in a compressed format like a zip or an executable file. If it's a zip file, right-click and select Extract All to unpack it. Once extracted, open the folder and double-click on the Claude AI installer file. A security prompt might appear asking for permission to run the software. Go ahead and click Yes or Run to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. This usually involves agreeing to the terms and conditions and selecting your installation preferences. Once the installation is complete, you can find the Claude AI icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click the icon to launch the application. You might be prompted to sign in or create a new account if you haven't already. Just follow the prompts to set up your account and start exploring the features of Claude AI. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.